Hello and welcome to another studio vlog. This one is all about my cats and books collection. I created different kinds of stickers, sticker sheets, decorative magnets, and magnetic bookmarks. The shop update for all of the products you're about to see me work on is going to be this upcoming Saturday, June 22nd. Now to start this vlog off, let's talk a little about the actual cats and books designs. I made the book stacks collection first, but while doing that, I was constantly brainstorming on what text I could add to the books. And during that time, I realized that there are a lot of suggestions that I came up with on my list that consists of 2 words only. So once I was done with my book stacks collection, I decided that I would add something else to the books rather than just having a stack of 2 books and the text. And with my gigantic love for cats just seemed like the obvious choice. When it came to drawing the cats, I knew I wanted them all to be in different positions, and I took a lot of inspiration from our 2 cats, Simba and Ginny, and pictures of them that I have in my camera roll. I love how all of them turned out, but the little tuxedo cat laying sideways on the books, that has to be my favorite one. I think that's my favorite design I've drawn so far. I'm slightly obsessed with it. The first stickers you see cutting here are my regular weatherproof matte stickers. They are cut twice to make them easy to peel. Okay, so the first sticker is this tan tabby with the text book lover on it. Then it's a black cat with the words bookworm. And then a calico cat with book hoarder on it. And up next is an orange tabby with the text cozy reader. And then it's a white cat and book nerd. And last but not least is the tuxedo cat with the romance reader words on it. Next you can see the cutting and close-ups of the glossy stickers. They also are cut twice to make them easy peel stickers as well. And for the last single stickers, I decided to give the hollow film another go. If you saw my last vlog, you would know that I struggled a lot with it in that vlog because it's very different from my normal vinyl that I've used in the past. But with the help of the internet, I was able to learn that I'm only supposed to peel back a tiny bit at a time, which worked out perfectly. You can see that I have my scraper covered in a small towel because the first ones I didn't do that. and the scratcher scratched up the hollow overlay. I'm selling the stickers that got scratched up at a much cheaper price and will most likely add the rest to my mystery bags. But yeah, covering it works perfectly fine. I will look into buying a scraper that has a plastic end so that I don't have to do it like this in the future. But it does the trick for now, and it just makes a really annoying and squeaky sound.
I cried when I watched the sunset. I cried when I moved away. I cried when the moment's perfect. I cry when there's no words to say. I can't help it if I feel it. It comes pouring like the summer rain. I'm a diver, watch me dive in into seas full of feelings. Life got me in. No, I'm a diver. How deep can I swim? Fill me up with emotion right to the brim. So I'll dive to the ocean floor. I never do arrive. I can't let a single minute slip away and float on by. Tie it on me like a weight, then let it sink me further. I just can't help it if I feel it. It comes pouring like the summer rain. I'm a diver, watch me dive in into seas full of feelings. Life got me in. No, I'm a diver. How deep can I swim? Fill me up with emotion right to the brim.
Because of how difficult it is to set cut depth and have them be continuously good as your blade wears down, I've decided to not create two cut lines for these stickers. Since the stickers are thicker through the addition of the hollow overlay, I'm hoping it's not necessary. If I should get feedback that they are difficult to peel, I can definitely always look into changing that. But I tested it out myself and I do think their peeling works quite well. Another product I decided to turn these designs into is decorative magnets, because I can just see these being adorable additions to any magnet collection, or just in general to make any space much cuter. Now, like I said, these are decorative magnets only and aren't strong enough to hold up much. You can see me here testing the magnetic hold on my ruler because that's the only thing I could think that I could show this off easily. The first paper here is over 200 GSM, so it's quite thick paper, which it clearly can't hold up at all. But the much thinner glassine backs is light enough for these magnets to hold up. So just to give you a bit of an idea of how weak they are. Next up, I went and created a sticker sheet with all the designs and added some additional paw print stickers to fill up the gap in between. Each sticker sheet has each design on there twice, plus the additional paw print stickers. And the sticker sheets are available on recycled sticker paper and regular white sticker paper, which are both perfect to add to bullet journals or planners and things like that. Onto the magnetic bookmarks. Just like all my other magnetic bookmarks, I made sure to set the file up so that the text is legible from both sides, and the design itself is also flipped, so both the front and the back side fit together perfectly. Once cut, I fold the bookmarks in half. Then I add a magnet to one side first, pushing it down, and then I take the second magnet and place it on top of the first one, making sure to not just perfectly align it with the first one, but actually making sure that the second magnet almost snaps into place, and that way the magnetic hold will be very strong.
talk about you to everybody that I know. Now they all love you, 'cause you are the one who lit a fire. The way I walk, the way I talk, you lift me higher. How did you flip my entire life? Everything's now upside down. I was alone in this town. Thought that I had it all planned, but I finally understand. Surrender. Falling on my knees, you pick me up so tender. I surrender. The great pretender. Before I met you, who was I? Now you're my center. I surrender. I built walls on the land, then I left, then unmanned. All it took was a look, crumbling, the earth shook. Yeah, I surrender. Falling on my knees, you pick me up so tender. Throw my hands up in the air, yeah, I adore you. There's not a single thing that I wouldn't do for you. That's how much I trust you. I let it all go. My inhibitions fall away. I'm letting you stay, 'cause I know that you'll stay for life. Everything's now upside down. I was alone in this town. Thought that I had it all planned, but I finally understand. Surrender. I surrender. Falling on my knees, you pick me up so tender. I surrender. Great pretender. Before I met you, who was I? Now you're my center. I surrender. I built walls on the land, then I left, then unmanned. All it took was a look, crumbling, the earth shook. Yeah, I surrender. Falling on my knees, you pick me up so tender. Throw my hands up in the air, yeah, I surrender. You pick me up so tender. Well, here I am, surrender. You pick me up so tender. Well, here I am, so I surrender. Falling on my knees, you pick me up so tender. I surrender. The great pretender. Before I met you, who was I? Now you're my center. Oh, I surrender. I built walls on the land, then I left, then unmanned. All it took was a look, crumbling, the earth shook. Yeah, I surrender. Falling on my knees, you pick me up so tender. Throw my hands up in the air, yeah, I surrender. You pick me up so tender.
Now on to adding them all onto backing cards. I noticed that my backing cards say magnetic bookmarks, even though each piece of backing card will only hold one bookmark. So we'll change that the next time I have to print out more backing cards. But for now, I'm not gonna waste these ones, and we can just ignore the fact that that's wrong.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a f***, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. That I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a f***, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a f***, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel. I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. all the negativity.
And on to unpacking a small business Happy Mail order. I ordered from Laurel Mae Art again. I just love her art style, and as always, I will leave links to her YouTube channel, Etsy shop, and so on in the description of this video, so feel free to go have a look.
Really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the out of my way then.
The first two things I got were washi tapes. One that features two cats, obviously.
Won't regret it, I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me.
And the second one that has flowers on it, and it is my absolute favorite color combo, so I had to get that one as well.
They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I
Then this is a freebie sticker.
famous. But I don't give a fuck. I'ma keep
This is a thank you print, which I find absolutely adorable and will definitely end up on my wall somewhere.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me
This is her business card.
to make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous. But I don't give a fuck. I'ma keep chasing.
Up next is this absolutely adorable cat holding a book pen. I mean, if you've watched a vlog all the way to this point, you will know by now that cats and books are two of my favorite things in life. And last but not least, I got this absolutely stunning print that is again in my perfect color combo. And I can't wait to find a frame for this and display it. Alright, that's the end of this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.